Very good morning to all of you, dear. Today we are discussing chapter number 15, natural phenomena. And in this topic, we have to discuss earthquake. है ना? The earthquake is the natural phenomena. It is the disastrous natural phenomena which can cause harm to the human beings and his property. We are discussing about the earthquake topic. We are reading this particular topic that earthquake occur all the time all over the earth. They are not even noticed. Major earthquakes are much less frequent. They can cause immense damage to buildings, bridges, dams, and people. There can be a great loss to life and property. Earthquake can cause floods, landslides, and tsunamis. A major tsunami occurred in the India Ocean on 26 December 2004. कब 2004 के around? Yes. The year was 2004. Tsunami was strike the Indian Ocean, the region between Andaman and Nicobar and Tamil Nadu के बीच में जो वहाँ जो region Indian Ocean का है, at that particular portion the tsunami strike. Okay, so that is also tsunami is also caused due to the earthquake. When the center of the earthquake, that is the epicenter, is below the sea surface, then it result in the formation of tsunami. Sometimes the earthquake also result in the floods also. Now, how the earthquake result in the formation of floods? If tsunami is there, it will eventually result in the formation of the flood. All the water from the sea will be on the surface of the earth. It will be result in the formation of flood, and sometimes the earthquake also result in the landslides. I hope आपने लैंडस्लाइड देखी होंगी. अभी हाल फिलहाल आपने उत्तराखंड में ना, उत्तराखंड में sometime earlier है ना, केदारनाथ है ना, केदारनाथ उत्तराखंड का जो केदारनाथ एरिया है वहां पे लैंडस्लाइड्स बहुत ज्यादा हुई थी, बादल फट गए थे. उसके कारण जो है लैंडस्लाइड्स जो है बहुत ज्यादा वाटर की अमाउंट की वजह से लैंडस्लाइड्स होना स्टार्ट हो गई थी. So these are the natural phenomena, one after the other. There is one natural phenomena which is causing other natural phenomena. So activity 15.6. Take an outline map of the world. Locate the eastern coast and the Andaman and Nicobar Island in the India. Eastern coast. आपको हमारा जो coastal region है उसमें eastern coast को mark करना है. Eastern coast कौन सा होगा? If you will draw the Indian map like this, and I am drawing the Indian map from below, or Andaman and Nicobar is located like here. So this is the eastern coast. This is the eastern coast near the Bay of Bengal, Bangladesh. ये जो region है, this coastal region is the eastern region, and this is the Andaman and Nicobar region. So you can do it in the map also. Now mark other countries around the Indian Ocean which could have suffered damage. The tsunami that was striked in 2004, उसके कारण कौन-कौन से countries इंडिया के अलावा कौन-कौन से other countries इफेक्ट हुए थे. जो भी लोकेटेड कंट्रीज हैं, जो आसपास में जितने भी कंट्रीज हैं, फॉर एग्जांपल म्यांमार, इंडोनेशिया है ना, बर्मा, बांग्लादेश, इनमें भी जो है इस पर्टिकुलर जो है सुनामी का इफेक्ट देखा गया था. Now collect the account of the devastation caused by the tsunami in India from your parents or other adults in the family or in the neighborhood. Okay, next a simple activity you can easily perform at your home. Just ask your parents what was happening and in which countries it was tsunami has struck. Now all of you see next paragraph, that in ancient times people did not know the true cause of the earthquake. Like all of you see, I have also heard some people are asking, or some people are giving some old peoples of older age, what is the reason they give behind this particular earthquake. They says that the earth is balanced on the horn of a bull. The earth is balanced on the horn of a bull, and when the bull shift it to the other horn, an earthquake takes place. But is it true? No, it is not true. They are just the myths, and they are just showing the lack of the information, lack of the science behind the earthquake. These are the different myths or different causes given by the people who do not know about the actual cause of the earthquake. Now, all of you see, Now we know that the tremors are caused by the disturbance deep down inside the uppermost layer of the earth called the crust. तो जितने भी ट्रेमर्स यानी कि जितने भी अर्थक्वेक हम देखते हैं, जितने भी अर्थक्वेक का जो मेन रीजन क्या है, देयर इज द डिस्टर्बेंस डीप डाउन द क्रस्ट. क्रस्ट में जो है, क्रस्ट अर्थ की जो लेयर है, क्रस्ट उसके डीप डाउन में कहीं ना कहीं डिस्टर्बेंस क्रिएट होता है. ड्यू टू दैट डिस्टर्बेंस ओनली वी सी द अर्थक्वेक. ड्यू टू दैट डिस्टर्बेंस ओनली वी सी द अर्थक्वेक. ठीक है बेटा. नेक्स्ट देखिए, द आउटर मोस्ट लेयर ऑफ द अर्थ इज नॉट इन वन पीस, इट इज फ्रेगमेंटेड. ईच फ्रेगमेंट इज कॉल्ड अ प्लेट. वी कैन कॉल इट एज अ टेक्टोनिक प्लेट्स. जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं, अ वेरी सिंपल डायग्राम ऑफ द टेक्टोनिक प्लेट्स हैज बीन शोन हियर, है ना. All of you see this figure, just marking in the world map, है ना, जो वर्ल्ड का मैप शो किया गया है, इसमें आप देख सकते हैं जो ब्लैक कलर से आउटलाइन शो की गई है ना, in this particular diagram, all of you see the outlines which are drawn from the black lines. These outlines are showing, the fragments in which the earth crust is divided. ठीक है ना. And when these fragments of the earth crust rub over each other or they strike over each other, it result in the formation of the, or result in the cause of the earthquake. These plates are in continuous motion. When they brush past one another or a plate goes under another due to the collision, they cause the disturbance on the earth crust. It is this disturbance that shows up as an earthquake on the surface of the earth. So this thing we have discussed, why, what is the basic reason behind the earthquake? Generally the earth crust is fragmented, and we will say these fragments as the plates, and these plates are continuously in motion. And when these plates collide with each other, or they rub over each other, they brush over each other, it results in the formation of the vibrations. And these vibrations, when they reach to the top surface of the earth, they result in the earthquake. इन्हीं को हम क्या बोलते हैं? These are known as earthquakes. As you can see the figure 15.11, figure 15.11, all of you can see, this is one plate and this is other plate. They are moving in opposite direction. They are moving in opposite direction. This place is moving in this direction, and this plate is moving in this direction. And when they collide with each other, it will result in the formation of vibration. बहुत ज़्यादा vibrations create होंगी, और जब ये vibration earth की surface तक आएंगे, तो it will result in the earthquake. And sometimes they brush over each other also. One plate is moving, one part is moving in this direction, other plate is moving in opposite direction, and due to this motion they rub over each other. So इस particular motion के time पर जो earthquake आएगा उसका magnitude कम होगा, लेकिन इस particular जिसमें collision हो रहा है उसमें क्या होगा, उसमें जो earthquake का जो magnitude आएगा बहुत ज्यादा होगा. वैसे तो अर्थक्वेक बहुत फ्रीक्वेंट है, क्योंकि टेक्टोनिक प्लेट्स लगातार कोलाइड होती रहती हैं, रब होती रहती है. लेकिन when they collide with a huge force, when the two huge tectonic plates collide with each other, they will result in the very huge magnitude of the earthquake. That may be very disastrous, or that may be very devastating. Now all of you see, although we know that for sure what causes an earthquake, it is not yet possible to predict when and where the next earthquake might occur. As we all know why the earthquake happens, what is the basic reason, what is the science behind the earthquake, but still we do not have any equipment or any device which can give the prediction, of the earthquake. However, most earthquakes are caused by the movements of the earth plates. Okay. Yes, starting from here again, tremors on the earth can also be caused when the volcano erupts, or meteor hits the ground, or an underground nuclear explosion. Now, what are tremors? Tremors are basically what? They are the earthquake only. These are the vibrations which are creating in the earth. So if जो अर्थक्वेक के रीजन जो है टेक्टोनिक प्लेट्स, जनरली बेसिक जो रीजन कौन सा होता है Most of the cases, the tectonic plate is the reason, but sometimes the volcanic eruptions or the strike of the meteors or the underground nuclear explosion, they can also be the reason of the earthquake. Are you getting my point? The earthquake may have different reasons, different causes. जो एक basic cause होता है जिसके कारण earthquake आता है, that is the movement of the tectonic plates under the earth crust. But what may be the other reasons? Other reasons may be the volcanic eruption. अगर बहुत ज्यादा वॉल्केनिक इरप्शन बहुत ज्यादा ह्यूज अमाउंट में होगा तो क्या होगा, अर्थ की टेक्टोनिक प्लेट्स विल स्टार्ट मूविंग, दैट विल रिजल्ट इन द अर्थक्वेक. सिमिलरली अगर कोई मीटियोर, मीटियोर क्या होता है, मीटियोर आर द बिग रॉकी रेसिड्यूज, big rocky residues which are moving in the solar system, which are moving in the space. When they enters the earth atmosphere, they strike on the earth surface. तो मीटियोर के कारण ही तो डायनासोर्स की डेथ हुई थी, है ना? why the dinosaurs vanished from the earth surface? Due to the strike of a very huge meteor on the earth. अर्थ पर बहुत बड़ा एक मीटियोर आके स्ट्राइक किया था. दैट्स व्हाई द डायनासोर वाज वेनिश्ड. डायनासोर का एज अ रिजल्ट क्या हुआ, फिनिश अप हो गए. तो जब बहुत बड़ा एक मीटियोर आके अर्थ की सरफेस पे आके स्ट्राइक करेगा तो अर्थ की टेक्टोनिक प्लेट्स में क्या होगी, मूवमेंट स्टार्ट हो जाएगी. और उस मूवमेंट के कारण क्या क्या कॉज होगा, अर्थक्वेक कॉज होगा. तो कोई न्यूक्लियर एक्सप्लोजन कर रहे हैं अंडर द ग्राउंड, अंडर द सी में, अंडर द सी और अंडर द ग्राउंड वी आर डूइंग सम न्यूक्लियर एक्सप्लोजन. आई होप ऑल ऑफ यू नो द मीनिंग ऑफ न्यूक्लियर एक्सप्लोजन. बहुत ज्यादा एनर्जी के साथ में हम क्या करते हैं, एक्सप्लोजन करते हैं. तो ये दीज आर आल्सो सम रीजंस ऑफ अर्थक्वेक. इनमें से भी किसी एक पर्टिकुलर रीजन के कारण क्या हो सकता है, अर्थक्वेक जो है आ सकता है. ठीक है बेटा, ओके. मूविंग टू द नेक्स्ट पेज, ऑल ऑफ यू सी. However, most earthquakes are caused by the movement of Earth's plate. ज्यादातर earthquake किसके कारण होते हैं, they are due to the movement of the Earth's plate. जो अर्थ की जो टेक्टोनिक प्लेट्स है उनकी जो मूवमेंट होती है उसके कारण ही ज्यादातर earthquake देखे जाते हैं. Since earthquakes are caused by the movement of plates, the boundaries of the plates are the weak zone where earthquakes are more likely to occur. The weak zones are also known as सिस्मिक और फॉल्ट जोन्स. अब देखेंगे आप, क्योंकि ये जो प्लेट्स होती हैं दे अगेन एंड अगेन रब ओवर ईच अदर, दे अगेन एंड अगेन कोलाइड विद ईच अदर. दैट्स व्हाई द बाउंड्री ऑफ द प्लेट्स, एंड आई विल शो यू द डायग्राम. फ्रॉम द डायग्राम इट विल बी properly understood, I think. Yes, all of you see this particular diagram. Yes, so all of you see figure 15.10. All of you see figure 15.10. The complete earth is divided into different fragments. ठीक है. अब ये फ्रैगमेंट जहां पर एक दूसरे से क्लोजली अटैच्ड है या फिर जहां पे इन फ्रैगमेंट्स की बाउंड्री है, ये बाउंड्री से ये फ्रैगमेंट्स जो है काफी वीक हो गए. ड्यू टू अगेन एंड अगेन दे ब्रश विथ ईच अदर, दे कोलाइड विथ ईच अदर. तो बार बार कोलिजन और बार बार ब्रशिंग की वजह से इनके जो बाउंड्रीज हैं वो काफी कमजोर हो गई, काफी वीक हो गई है. तो इन बाउंड्रीज के ऊपर जो लोकेटेड कंट्रीज हैं उनमें अर्थक्वेक के बहुत ज्यादा प्रोबेबिलिटी, बहुत ज्यादा चांसेस रहेंगे, है ना. यू माइट हैव स्टडीड समवेयर कि दीज प्लेसेस आर वेरी प्रोन टू अर्थक्वेक. वहां पे अर्थक्वेक बहुत ज्यादा आते ही रहते हैं, साल में 2-3 बार अर्थक्वेक तो आ ही जाते हैं. Why some places are very prone to the earthquake and why some places are not prone to the earthquake? The reason behind this is their location. The places which are situated above these boundaries, जो हमारी जो फ्रैगमेंट्स हैं, जो हमारी टेक्टोनिक प्लेट्स हैं, इनकी जो बाउंड्रीज हैं, इनके ऊपर जो रीजन होते हैं वहां पर ये अर्थक्वेक बार बार आने के चांसेस ज्यादा रहते हैं, क्योंकि वहां से बाउंड्रीज वीक हो जाती हैं और जब बाउंड्रीज कोलाइड करती हैं तो अर्थक्वेक आता है. दैट्स व्हाई दे आर वेरी प्रोन टू द अर्थक्वेक. And the other places which are not prone, so that may be due to the location. उनकी लोकेशन कहाँ होगी, ऐसी पर्टिकुलर जगह पे होगी जहाँ बाउंड्रीज थोड़े दूर हो. ठीक है. So this is the reason that why some places are very prone to the earthquake and why some places do not see any earthquake whole year? Why some places see the earthquake thrice or more than 3 or more than 4 times in a year, and why some places do not see the earthquake whole year? So this is the particular reason, that is their location. If they are located on they are located above the boundaries of the tectonic plates, then that will be the very prone region, the very particular prone region to the अर्थक्वेक, बहुत ज्यादा अर्थक्वेक आएंगे। और अगर वो उस बाउंड्री रीजन में नहीं है, टेक्टोनिक प्लेट्स की बाउंड्री में नहीं है, तो फिर वहां पे ज्यादा अर्थक्वेक स्ट्राइक्स नहीं करते। ठीक है, स्टार्ट करते हैं अगेन, ऑल ऑफ यू सी। अब देखते हैं इंडिया में कौन कौन से प्लेसेस हैं जो प्रोन है, जहां पे अर्थक्वेक ज्यादा आ सकते हैं। लाइक वर्ल्ड में तो आपको पता है ना, वर्ल्ड में तो पता है कि जापान, जापान इज अ कंट्री, जापान इज अ कंट्री इन which is very prone to the earthquake. Why is it so? Because the location of the Japan, because it is situated just over the boundaries of the tectonic plates. That's why जो है उसकी जो है that is very prone to the earthquake. लेकिन इंडिया में कौन सी जगह है जहाँ पे बहुत ज्यादा prone है? For example, Kashmir. Now all of you know where is Kashmir? Kashmir situated. This is Kashmir region, as I am showing in the graph also. Western and Central Himalayas. These are Western Himalayas. And these are Central Himalayas, and these are Western Himalayas. So the region which I am just circling with this, the region which I have just circled in the diagram, these are the very prone region to the earthquake. Central Himalayas, Western Himalayas, Kashmir, the whole northeast will be this particular region. Northeast will be this particular region. These are the region. Similarly, Run of Kutch is situated in the Gujarat mein situated hai. So these are the, and Rajasthan also, some part of Rajasthan also, and the Indo-Gangetic plain, the plain which is formed by the Ganga river. The Ganga river के द्वारा जो plain बनाया जाता है, this particular plain region. तो कुल मिला के this region and some portion of south, and these particular region are the region which are very prone to the earthquake in our country. अपनी कंट्री में ये जो रीजन जो मैंने हाईलाइट किए हैं, these are the region which are very prone to the earthquake. यहाँ पे earthquake आने के चांसेस क्या है? बहुत ज्यादा है। ठीक है, ओके, moving ahead, all of you see, moving on the next page. Yes, okay students, the time is not allowing you to discuss the things much more. Okay, that's it for today students, that's it for today's discussion. Thank you very much for joining the class. I will see you tomorrow in tomorrow's discussion. I hope you enjoyed today's session and understood the concept in the same way which I tried to explain. Thank you.